Today I will be unboxing McDonald's Happy Meal, and it's going to be HarperCollins children books. And nice, let's see what comes out of here. I got the hamburger Happy Meal. It comes in this nice box. Incredible good books. This is fun. And then just to mention that this time it's not toys, it's actually books this time, not toys. So the hamburger Happy Meal, this is the hamburger. Yum yum yum. Nice. This is the hamburger Happy Meal. And then I got it with apple slices, but looks like they gave me 2 fries. Actually, I see the apple slices in there too. Yay. I'm lucky, I got 2 fries and apple slices. Yay. And that's the apple slices. Where's the toy? Right there. I see you. Let's see what book we got. And it is book number 4, Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses. Pretty cool. Nice. There's 5 in this collection. Nice fries. This is a nice book, and by Kimberly and James Dean. Pretty cool book. What I like about this book is that it kind of teaches you that your mind is like stronger than it seems. This is the Grumpy Todd, and he gives these sunglasses to Pete, and Pete starts seeing things differently now. After he was having a bad day, the sunglasses basically made him see things differently and a happier way. And then he comes across other friends, like the squirrel here, who's also having like a mad day, so he gives his sunglasses, and then the squirrel has a good day. Then he comes across the turtle, same thing, he gives the glasses to the turtle has a good day. And then he comes across the alligator, and then he gives the glasses to the alligator. Alligator starts having a fun, good day. And then what happens is later on he breaks his glasses, and then he comes to this wise owl. The wise owl tells him that he never needed the sunglasses to see things brighter, that by just visioning it, just by thinking it, by thinking with his mind, he could have that good day. And too cool, the birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, we're feeling alright. This was a nice book, so I recommend reading it, and yeah, it comes with this activity in the back where you spot the differences. I found them all. And then it comes with, if you want to try more books, I recommend them because they are pretty cool books. This was the toy, or should I say book. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.